What if the root of your brain fog, bloating, and fatigue isn't in your head, but in your gut? Let's uncover what your doctor might not tell you and what the Bible already did. Leaky gut or increased intestinal permeability occurs when the gut lining becomes damaged, allowing toxins and undigested food to leak into the bloodstream. Symptoms can include brain fog, bloating, joint pain, skin issues, and autoimmune flare-ups. From poor diet to chronic stress, antibiotics to lack of sleep, modern life weakens the gut barrier, but God's original plan? Whole foods, rest, trust, simplicity. Ellen White wrote, "The stomach is closely connected with the brain." She emphasized the misuse of the stomach produces a morbid condition of the soul. God's garden offers the tools for repair. Start with bone broth or vegan alternatives for gut lining. Fermented foods like sauerkraut and kefir, L-glutamine and zinc-rich foods. Herbs like slippery elm and licorice root. Rest, especially Sabbath rest. And above all, reduce stress by increasing your faith. God desires you to be whole, body, mind, and soul. You are not broken beyond repair. Start small, trust God, and rebuild from the inside out. Comment Amen if you believe in divine healing. Subscribe for more natural health and spiritual strength.